Everything in here is wrapped and has not been opened yet. So we have 1, 2, voila. My goodness. Look how pretty that packaging is. I don't even want to open it, but I really do. I do actually. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Fashion Friday. And I've actually got my tea here today. I know, I don't think I've ever had tea time on my channel. It's always been coffee. But I'm a little sick right now. And if you've been following me on Insta stories, it's been so funny because just there's been so much going on with the babies. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen it, but Sophia had her first words yesterday. And of course it was Dada. I saw that coming, but I definitely will leave you guys the Instagram post, just like a link to it down below because it's just so cute. But anyways, it's been a very eventful week and I've been sick, and we've been trying to plan our Santa Monica trip, which is coming next week, and I've been trying to get better, but I was like, it's Fashion Friday. And I'm like, I need to get up my video even if I lose my voice. So today I'm gonna be doing a Chanel unboxing with you, which I was trying so hard to get a hold of the new spring summer collection, and I got a few pieces. I will tell you the story after. So I'm gonna be unboxing it with you. I've been waiting. I haven't even opened it yet, which has been really hard. I also have some other luxury pieces I wanna share with you today. I'm not gonna make this intro super long, so let's get started. But the first thing I wanted to share with you before I get into my Chanel unboxing is my new rose gold watch that just arrived yesterday, and it's just so beautiful. I cannot get over it. We actually just had Ryan's parents here for dinner the other day, and I was telling her how affordable these watches are, and they're luxury pieces, by the way, so I'm just so excited to dig in and show you. But it's actually from a company called Vincero, and I've never heard of them before, and I actually kept seeing them on YouTube, some of the girls that I follow, and they are just such beautiful timeless pieces. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys what one I got, and it's so beautiful. So let's switcheroo here. So I'm just going to open it up with you to show you what it looks like when you open it. Voila. Comes really nicely protected too, by the way. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. And I already showed it to Ryan downstairs and now he wants one. But they actually have a ton of men's selections too. But look how beautiful this is. I just thought it was so perfect. I've been looking for a rose gold watch now for the longest time. And I just thought this was so elegant, so me. Look at that. Oof. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. Right here is the rose gold one that I got, but I didn't see until after. They actually have a light pink one too that I'm probably gonna get as well. They also have a really beautiful gray one. They have so many pieces actually that I really want, including one that I think I'm gonna get Ryan. So anyways, I'm just gonna show you the one that I got right here, and look how nicely it comes packaged, by the way. It's really secure. It even has instructions on how to set the time on here, which is awesome. I could always use the extra help. But this is it right here. It's so beautiful, and I'm just gonna take it out of the box. And oh my goodness, anything rose gold I'm just obsessed with. But I mean, it's really hard these days to find timeless and oh my God, really hard these days to get anything, I think, luxury for a great price. So oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Look at it. Oh, that's it right there. I really love the size as well. It's such a beautiful, beautiful piece. That I don't think I've ever seen is they actually have interchangeable straps, which is awesome, you guys. So you don't have to buy like a brand new watch, which is either another money saver, which is just awesome. And you can actually, so see right here, I just wanted to show you my phone really quickly. All you have to do is click on the straps, and look at that, you can actually get separate straps. So obviously I think you guys know which one I want to get next. So I think that'll also look really nice on this watch with the rose gold face. But look at the pink strap right there. I'm obsessed. And then I can also do the gray, which I think would look really nice as well. But they have so many to choose from. It's insane. So another thing that they actually do is engraving, which I think is just so amazing. I definitely want to get their initials engraved on a watch. I think that would be so pretty. I don't have it engraved in this one, but I plan on buying another one, and I do actually have a coupon code, which is awesome. So I will leave it somewhere on here as well as down in the description bar. So please use my coupon code to save more money on these amazing watches. And I think I'm gonna actually use my own code and get Ryan one, and then I want to get one with the girls' initials. But I've also got my cute little phone case right here with my girls, and I'm sorry my nails are not done for this video. I've been sick. Okay, I can hear Mia and Sophia saying dada right now. I'm missing out on so much. But I'm sure they're gonna continue when I go downstairs. Anyways, I'm gonna grab the Chanel bags right now and share with you guys what I got. I'm so excited. Not even joking, there have been so many times the last couple of days that I have wanted to just open it and be like, you know what? Why don't I just rewrap it? Why don't I open it? But you know what? I just held the temptation because I was so excited to do an actual unboxing with you. So everything in here is wrapped and has not been opened yet. So we have 1, 2, voila. My goodness. Look how pretty that packaging is. I don't even want to open it, but I really do. I do actually. So excited to get these pieces, and oh my goodness. Let's just open them. I'm gonna bring over the goodies. Okay, let's do it over here. Okay, so there we go. I felt like they had to be like in the backdrop somewhere, the Chanel bags, because they're so pretty. I'm gonna open up this one with you first, and my goodness, it's just so beautiful. I don't want to unbox it. I don't even know which one this is actually. Might be the smaller piece I got. Oh my goodness. It's like Christmas right now. I'm just so happy that I was able to get these 2 pieces. So right here we have the really gorgeous suede dust bag right here. And oh my goodness, this is, okay, this is the first time I'm seeing it in person right now, and this is the most beautiful pink I have ever seen in my life. Oh, okay, so the pink is definitely even more beautiful in person. I've only seen this online, I have not seen it in person. It is so beautiful. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this one is the wallet on chain that I got. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And so the collection right here that launched is an iridescent pink line. So it just looks pink and sparkly. If you look at it up close, you can see like the sparkle, the iridescentness to it. And this is just so gorgeous in person. I can't get over it. And let's open it. Oh. And this right here is the wallet on chain, so on the inside. And this is the perfect size. I think you guys know I've been talking about a lot that I love like wallets or small wallet on chains. So this is just so nice to travel with, and it's just a nice little clutch bag. I can definitely use this out for dinner or out for shopping and stuff. So it has the chain right here. I'm gonna take this out. The pink though is even more beautiful in person. I'm just, oh, I'm in heaven right now, Chanel heaven. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm just gonna take out all the paper. There's a lot of paper. Take this out. This is what it looks like on the inside here. It has so much room for your cards. You can put your change or whatnot in there. I never really put change in here. I pretty much just carry my cards, but I might put something else in there. And oh, it's just a really, really nice size. I almost thought it was gonna be smaller, but I'm happy that it's this size. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. So this is what it looks like here. I'm gonna put it on and show you right after I open up the other piece. But yeah, that is her, and she is so beautiful in person. It is just such a beautiful pink, and I've never had anything in my collection like it. I hope it's picking up well, because it's really sparkly in person, and it just has this gorgeous sheen to it. There we go, sheen. But yeah, it is beautiful, and that is the thickness of it, so you can see it right there. It's quite thick, so I really like that. It's not like a super skinny bag. Like, you definitely have to see it in person because there's so many pictures that look different, because some are with flash, some are without, and it was really hard to see its true color, and this is just exactly what I wanted it to be. It's just a classic, I find. It's a really nice light pink, but it's iridescent, so it has that sheen to it, and it just is classic. It is beautiful. So beautiful. Hold on, let me grab a different wallet I have. to show you. So you can see the difference right here with my other Chanel wallet I have. This is like a true baby pink. So if you really love baby pale pink, you're definitely gonna love the spring summer collection. And this one is a little bit more peachy pink. But yeah, oh, I love this color. I love this piece and I love the color. This collection is beautiful. I've seen the other wallet on chain, which I was debating between, and I ended up going with this one, which is the smaller one. They do have like the classic Chanel wallet on chain as well that came out. But yeah. Okay, so we just have the second one that I'm gonna open up with you guys right here, and this is actually the large wallet I got. So it's in the same color, and I really wanted one of the wallets. I didn't know which one I was gonna get. It was really hard for me to choose between the large wallet and the small one, which I have so many small wallets, so I really did want to get the large one, and I'm happy they had it in stock because they hardly had anything left. It was honestly crazy. And I'm going to insert like a few clips that my friend actually got for me when she was getting me these pieces. Thank God she was able to go because I'm not near any Chanel, so she actually shipped them out to me. So that was really, really nice of her. Thank you, Rhoda. So, oops, there we go. I'm going to keep the little flower there. I think you guys know I've recently got into Chanel a lot, and I find it's crazy like how quickly their new pieces sell out. And I didn't know it was even possible to sell out of pieces before the collection even launches, but I guess with Chanel it's true that can happen because I guess they let like the VIP people get it first and people that are always buying from Chanel before it actually launches. So like I said, I'm so happy that I was able to get these two pieces. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Ah! This is the first time I'm seeing her in person. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we are. This is the large wallet I got right here. It's picking up so nicely on camera, like, oh my goodness. And it looks like this in person too. It actually has the back, which I've never seen this with Chanel, but I thought that was awesome. It's kind of like the classic flap, how it has this on the back here. So that's how the wallet came as well, which was awesome. So this is the inside. They really secure everything, by the way. There's so much paper that I have to take out, but yeah, this is the wallet on the inside. It's got tons of room for cards, separate room for cash. I'm just gonna take some of this out. The other video I was actually thinking of doing is a wish list video, and I see them all the time and I just love watching them. So it's pretty much a video where I would show you everything that I want right now. And I thought that'd be kind of a neat video to do, maybe like a fashion designer luxury video. So let me know if you want to see that in the comments down below. And it's the perfect size too. Like I could probably just carry this around like a clutch. It's really, really nice. Anyways, that was my Chanel unboxing with you. I'm so happy that I was able to get a few pieces from this collection because it's so beautiful, and the pink is even prettier in person. I'm still freaking out about the pink right now. But they have quite a large collection. I'll definitely leave a link down below on the pieces that I got. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, like luxury designer videos, definitely let me know. I think you guys know I love luxury. I think you only live once, and I definitely love working hard so I can buy nice things for myself. So yeah, before I lose my voice, I'm really happy that I did this video though, because I really wanted to get up a Fashion Friday video for you. But I definitely have to go heal and let my body rest a little bit, go eat with the baby girls. But yeah, definitely go follow me on Instagram, and make sure you guys are subscribed on the vlog channel as well. I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.